Well, YouTube, you're not seeing things. It's dark outside. I'm literally trying to go for a night ride. It's been over a month and a half since I went for a ride, or even longer, I'm not sure. Probably about 2 months. I've been trying to psych myself up to go for a ride for a while. My anxiety is really bad. Being in the dark out here is not helping either. So I was just going to sit in the driveway for a second and see how I felt, but I'm feeling if I let myself think too much, I'm not going to do this thing. There'll be a ride around here, obviously. I'm not going to go far away in the dark. I can't see for shit in the dark. I have one bike light charged up that I'm going to use, so my helmet strap seems to be crooked for some reason. Shit. What way, I don't know. That way? Or the other way? The other way. Garage is very hot. I was going to actually sit in the driveway and let the garage cool off. What the hell happened to my bike helmet? I haven't even used it. What is going on? Okay, whatever. I don't know what's going on with my bike helmet. It's going to have to feel weird, I guess. Hopefully there's no spiders living in my helmet. Yeah. Fun times. I'll turn my bike on real quick. Find all my buttons. I'm really stressed out right now. It's hot. It's like 80. It says it's 81, but it feels like it's 84. I could just be like panicking and overheating too, though, so it's probably what's going on right now. I have been having problems with my panic disorder. It's been really bad. I keep freaking out. I need to turn my backpack light on here and dig it out. Where is it? There it is. There we go. I don't know, man. I'm starting not to feel too good. Hey, you know what? Even if I just go up and down the street, that's a serious improvement to not riding at all. You get to test the low light functionality of this bike, this camera out. See, for a normal human being, that'd be pretty bright. But for me, it's like when I'm standing still, it's fine. When I'm moving, I can't see a damn thing. Shit, that hurt. Oh, my motor just lurks. That's fun. Okay, let's try to do this thing, guys. Oh man, something's jerking really bad on my bike. Oh, freaking hell. I am stressing out so bad right now. Ooh. It's like, Larry, if you have a panic disorder and it's been bugging you for 2 months, why the hell are you riding your bike at night, dude? Because it's too hot to ride at any other time right now. Oh, man. I'll be okay. I took an anxiety pill around. Well, a piece of an anxiety pill around, hell, I don't remember. 4 in the afternoon. It's like 9 or so out here right now. It's Friday. It's around 9 or 10. I don't know. It's the 7th of August. My dead grandmother's birthday. I believe it's the 7th still. I'm going to be taking my time, going rather slow. This isn't going to be some exciting speed through the night ride because I'm not an idiot. I probably want to raise that light up a little bit. Yeah, that's better. So I've been like in my room just freaking going batshit crazy, wanting to ride my bike and stuff, man. It's been nuts. Because this is like literally the only thing I gain real enjoyment out of is riding my bike. You know, this is it for me. And not being able to ride it these past few months as much as I was has just been, oh my God. It's been so horrible. If I feel panicky, what I'm going to do is I'll stop on the side of the road. I won't continue trying to ride. I'll just hop off the seat and straddle the top bar and just like hang my head down and deep breathe or something and talk to the camera. Because if I continue to try to ride, it's going to make things worse. I didn't even check my tire pressure though, but I got these dual sports on here. They should be fairly well inflated. And it's been so hot, I'm pretty sure my tires haven't lost any pressure. They probably gained pressure. Hot air expansion. Sounds like I paved more of the road or something. Probably keep it between 20 and below for my ride speed. I haven't been out here in a while, so I don't know what the road conditions are like. I don't know if anything's been torn up or if there's been road work or something. I don't know what's going on. Well, I took a couple of naproxen sodium pills. They're basically like generic Aleve. Because my other stuff doesn't seem to want to work anymore. My ibuprofen's not working, Tylenol's not working, straight up aspirin's not working. So that's what I did. That's what I did do, dude. Oh man, I'm way over here. I wasn't really planning on going this far. Also, I've been trying to wean myself off my anxiety medication. It turns out I can't. I'm really pissed because I think I mentioned it in the video I uploaded. No, I didn't mention it because I didn't upload that video. But like, now hydroxyzine, you're only supposed to take it continuously for 4 months because they don't have any studies beyond 4 months of use. I took it pretty much continuously for 13 years. And I'm upset about that because they kept prescribing it to me. And they shouldn't have been. The evil they, them, those dudes. So I've been having a lot of problems lately. Like my eyes keep gunking up really bad. I'm super sensitive to bright light. I'm turning into a mogwai apparently. Don't feed me after midnight. You're gonna have one huge fucking gremlin on your hands. Yeah, so I've been jumpy. Apparently hydroxyzine, if you use it for an extended time, even in the 4-month period, they noticed people were getting brain fog. And I've been having brain fog for the longest time. And I thought it was the 2 times I had COVID causing it. But it turns out it's been hydroxyzine this whole freaking time. Giving me brain fog. So yay, fun. Yeah, that's why I have trouble sleeping laying down, is because of brain fog. It causes disorientation. So, ooh, ow. See, I can't see shit. I just ran over a sunken little bit of a divot there. I'm going to turn around here I'm going to turn around like right here. I wasn't planning on going this far. I'm getting ahead of myself because I'm talking on the camera. So even that street light's like really bright to me right now. So yeah, let's go back. My brakes are working good. First time I've tested them since I worked on them like a couple weeks ago almost. It's literally been like, well, about a week. I think I uploaded that video. It was like this past Saturday. So yeah. You can hear my brakes rubbing a little bit. I kind of overdid them a little bit, but you know, I'd rather, a little bit of rubbing means I'm still going to be able to stop. So the important thing. So this might be it for my ride. I might be going home now. I don't know. I don't want to overdo it. Trust me, I'm amazed I'm out here right now. I know it's all about me, but it's like I got nothing else to talk about. It's like, oh, it's so nice and beautiful. People are watering their yards. I can smell wet grass. That's pretty much all that's going on right now. Wet grass. Yeah, there's a little speed burst for you guys. Yeah, I'm heading home. I know it's super short and not really sweet, but it's what I feel like I can do right now. My brakes are really rubbing. Oops. That's what I was going to check. When I was reinstalling the brakes after I redid the pads, or adjusted the position of the pads, I forgot to make sure that I think I forgot to tighten one of the calipers down all the way. I think it was the rear one. I don't know. I tightened it enough. It's not going to come loose on this ride. I just need to go over it and make sure I torque it down really tight. Somebody coming up behind me. Oh, that was a pop. I heard my spoke snap. Gosh darn it. Hope I just ran something over. So it's like, that's not the shortest ride I've ever taken, but it's pretty short. I'm gonna go home and make a frozen pizza. I gave my mom a DiGiorno Supreme pizza like probably 2 months ago, and it somehow got buried in our tiny refrigerator freezer somehow. And she ended up eating one of my roommate's pizzas, thinking it was the one I gave her. I'm like, Mom, those pizzas he bought pale in comparison to that nice tasty DiGiorno I gave you. That's F on Acacia. But she never ate it, and I was like, well, can I have it now? Because I was having digestive issues, and I didn't want to eat all the spices and stuff, but it's not really bugging me anymore, so I'm kind of running out of food anyway. That's my plan, is to make a pizza in a little while when I calm down. Oh, they went left. I thought they were coming up behind me, going my way. It's not really my way, it's a way. It's like not like I own this way. Someone's lighting off fireworks, damn it. That wasn't a very loud one. Hopefully my dog didn't get scared. So guys, that was my short shit little bit of a ride, just to see if I could still get on this damn thing. And I can't. I could still get on the damn thing, so yay. And I get to test this camera out at night. The last video I made at night, I was just sitting in the driveway talking to the camera, trying to cool off, but okay. I'm not even going to check the mileage. I'm just going to shut this thing off. Alright. I might not even, for now, I don't think I'm going to plug it in. I'm just going to put it away. It's just I don't feel good and it's hot in there, and I don't want to be in there when it's hot and not feeling good. So I'm gonna roll this up over here. Make sure I turn the headlight off before I flip the bike around. Blind you guys. Alright. It's off. Okay, yeah, so I'm just going to put this thing away. I'll come plug it in later on. I ain't messing with it right now. My roommate's at work. Anybody want a bunch of used batteries you can probably do something with? Let me know. I got a bunch of used batteries I can sell you. Some of them, they should have plenty of good cells in them still, and BMSs that function properly. But anyways, I got a shit ton of extra chargers too. Alright. You know what? Maybe I will plug it in real quick. I'm not feeling any worse than I normally feel. So, with that, remember, it would be super duper awesome if you could like, subscribe, comment, share. Subscribers, thank you for hanging in there. New subscribers, welcome to the channel. Random viewers, consider subscribing. I was getting close to 4,000 videos uploaded to YouTube with a shit ton of shorts, but recent events in my life have kind of taken the air out of my sails, as it were. So, as it be, IP freely. Random viewers, consider subscribing. I've got over, I guess I already said that part. See, I'm totally out of practice. Don't forget to check out my links in the description. I have a bunch of e-bike brands down there. I got depth sticks, diagnostic tools for your engine. They're like cameras, little mini scope cameras, so you can get into the nooks and crannies of your engine when you're trying to fix something but you can't see what the hell's wrong with it. I have Epic water filters. Get yourself a water filter filtering water pitcher, or they also sell whole water filter systems to hook up to your pipes. Also, I have Insta360 action cameras and accessories down there. Save yourself some money on a camera and some accessories. With that, remember to have a wonderful whatever wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next e-bike video. Okay, good night.